Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download ASUS TUF Gaming A16 drivers. So first guys, open any browser, Google search box to type like that. Okay, then you can see this is asus.com laptop. This is officially website. You just click on it, then click on support. Click on driver and tool. Okay, so you can change model number also if you are using different, so you can change it. Okay, because all the driver installations process, driver download process same. Okay, scroll down, audio driver. So this is a console application. Scroll down, this is the actual driver and click to download. So it is start downloading, but take some time, totally depend about your internet speed. Then it is completed, then just single click to open, then click on yes. Languages, click the ok, then next, I accept, next, select the install, then next. So it is completed and you can restart your system.